This is the door sensor. The door sensor can be mounted to the garage door or the man door. Open the sensor by pulling off the front cover. Insert the included AAA batteries and replace the cover. If you haven't already, download the Garage Smart app and create a login. Once you've logged in, tap Devices at the bottom and press the plus sign. Scan the QR code and give it a name. Peel off the 3M backing and stick the sensor to the highest panel of your garage door. This will make sure the sensor activates as quickly as possible once you open the door. In the app, tap the sensor name and then tap Calibrate. Follow the instructions to calibrate the sensor. You'll need to open and close your garage door. Once your sensor is calibrated, you can then add automations. In the Devices tab, select the door sensor. Select whether you want the operation to occur when the door opens or closes. Then, select the accessories you want to activate. Follow the prompts for customizing what those accessories do and how long they do it when the door opens or closes. You could have the spotlights turn on at 75% brightness for 2 minutes. You could have the park assist turn on for 1 minute. You could have your power drop turn on for 5 minutes, or any number of other combinations. That's it. Enjoy your door sensor. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one, and visit our website for more ways to make your garage even smarter.